Y'all want to make some holly treats for Christmas? Let's do it. Start with 1 stick of butter, melt it down, and add 7 ounces of regular sized marshmallows. Add in half a teaspoon of vanilla. You're going to stir that until it starts to melt. Then you'll add your food coloring, masked Lead Emerald, of course, to get that rich, beautiful holly green that we're looking for, and keep melting on medium heat. You'll want to dial down the heat to low when you start to add your 3 cups of corn flakes. That's right, not Rice Krispies, corn flakes. This is what gives those holly treats that leafy look, and honestly, it is super delicious. Fold it in until it's all incorporated like this. Prepare a greased cookie sheet to lay down your marshmallow mixture, and grease your spoon too, because this will actually help it release onto the pan. I just buttered the tips of my fingers to shape the treats into roundish shapes, and then you add mini red M&Ms for the holly berries, and it officially looks like holly treats. You can actually make 12 to 24 cookies depending on what size you make. But no Christmas treat is complete without the OG edible glitter white diamond, so I had to add that extra sparkle to these super special treats that I gave to our staff at the Christmas party. I hope your family and friends are going to love this treat this Christmas, and we thank you guys always for being Team Sugar Art.